Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are using Windows 10 and you definitely notice that unwanted notification getting pop up in the lower right of the screen, isn't it? And it's very distracting. Fortunately, Windows 10 has a one-click switch that disable unwanted notification. So today I am going to show you how to make permanent changes to your notification settings. So let's see. On the bottom right of your screen, you will find notification icon. Just click on it, and here you can find there is one notification. After that, click on expand. From here, you have to click on all settings. Then click system. After that, click on notification and action. Here notification action page will open. From here you will find there is a lot of notifications. Toggle notification to off under the line. Get notification from apps and other senders if you want to stop all alerts. Okay. Adjust mode settings on the screen also. Choose what notification appears to the lock screen. You can untick checkbox of Windows welcome experience. This often appears after Windows 10 updates. You can also disable notification from individual senders also. Suppose I don't any alert from the Acrobat reader, so I have to toggle to the off. Then Chrome also I have to toggle notification to the off condition. So then I have to close. So this is how you can enable, disable any notification if you want. So this is very simple. So that's it. Always thanking you guys for watching my video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.